Okay, so here we have the graph of fx. And oops. In this video, we're actually going to have to take the derivative of this function twice, which is very kind of annoying, but it's okay. So when x is equal to 0, the y value is f, so f is positive. When x is equal to 0, the slope here is e. You could say that e is 0, but in my eye it looks like a positive, so I'll just put e is positive. And when d is, so the d is, since it's concave down when x is equal to 0, d is negative. And I'll skip the c and the b for now, and the a here is positive because it's pointing upward. A is positive. Now we have to take the derivative of this function twice. Okay. So here the slope is positive, so it goes from positive to negative. So positive to negative to 0 to positive to 0 to negative to 0 to positive. So this is a graph of f prime x, and if I take the derivative of this function, that will give us 5ax to the power 4 plus 4bx squared, cubed, plus 3cx squared plus 2dx plus e. Again, the value in front of the x squared represents whether it's concave up or down. When x is equal to 0, yikes, you can't really see whether it's concave up or down, because here it looks like it's concave up, and here it looks like it's concave down. But since when I was drawing it, I actually put the point a little bit to the left, so let's say that the graph looks like this. So again, sometimes it depends on the way you draw this graph, and sometimes you can get the coefficients as 0. Here I will say that it's concave up, so c is positive. Now if we take the derivative of this graph once again, here is 0, here is 0, here is 0. And I apologize if this is a little bit messy. The slope here is negative, so it starts from negative here to 0. Is negative to positive to 0. Positive to 0, and then, oops. It looks like this. So, if we take the derivative twice of this function, we get 20ax cubed plus 12bx squared plus 6cx plus 2d. Now, in front of the x squared, we have 2b. The b will represent that since this is concave up, 2b is positive, that means that b is also positive.